Now, a couple of reggae boys in Corey Burke and Liam Moore look doubtful for Jamaica's next three World Cup qualifiers, while a third, Leon Bailey, is out for matches against the United States on October 7, Canada at home on October 10, and Honduras away on October 13.
Striker Corey Burke, who picked up an ankle injury while scoring a goal in training at his US MLS club, the Philadelphia Union, is expected to see a specialist on Monday. At that time, the striker should learn the extent of the injury and how long he's expected to be out of action. Burke, who has started all three matches so far in the final round of qualifying, would have missed the USA game on October 7 due to a card suspension. Liam Moore is also a major doubt for the Reggae Boys after hurting an ankle for Reading FC in the English Championship. No time frame has been set for Moore's return.
And he's had a very stop-start career so far at Aston Villa. He hasn't played an awful lot of minutes. Came with an injury, from the Jamaica, the Gold Cup with Jamaica, and he unfortunately struck the ball so hard that he's got a thigh strain as well for his goal. But he's a talented player. He's got pace. He's got creativity. He can score goals and he can create goals. So he's a top player.
Meanwhile, Shamar Nicholson, who has scored both the Reggae Boys goals so far in the campaign, is expected to be available as he continues to recover from a broken jaw in the Belgian top flight. Keon Reyna reporting for TVJ Sports.